Hello, my name is Mary Isis, and I am a singer, performer, ritual artist, and I absolutely love working with birds and feathers, and they are a big part of the healing work that I do, the healing and ritual ceremonial work. These beautiful winged creatures, they're such sacred beings, and I just felt like there wasn't enough videos out there talking about how to go about working with them in a very sacred way, an honorable, reverent way. So that's what I hope that you get out of this video, so that if you have the opportunity and desire to salvage wings of a bird, that you can do so in a way that feels good for you and that also leaves you feeling transformed in a positive way. In this video, I am going to provide you with the step-by-step of the process. I've created some frames that have it all written out, so you can screenshot them, or you can also just download the text from my website, pathwaysoftransformation.com. I just really want to emphasize the importance and the value of treating this process as a sacred ceremonial process, and make sure you have a good amount of uninterrupted private time when you go about doing this process. That really gets you up close and personal with life and with death, and it might get you to really ponder your own precious life and how close we are at any given moment to our death. And when you work with the feathers, with the bones, and you see the flesh and the bone, it's a reminder that we too are flesh and bone. So you want to find the bone that connects the wing to the body, and you want to stretch the wing out as far as possible. And you're going to feel where the bone makes a V shape where it connects back into the body. And you're going to want to break that bone above that V. If you break it below it, the wing will fall apart. And there will be some fleshiness there. And on this part of the wing up here, will have some fleshiness to it. So that's why it's important to preserve your wing afterwards for at least a month, pinned in the position you want to preserve it, open, and in borax, because borax will help to desiccate it and to keep bugs from infesting it. The talons will also stiffen as the bird, stiffens. Right now they're loose because the bird hasn't been dead very long, and if you want to keep them in an open position, you could get a stone that's big enough for the talons to grip its talon around, and you can position it in a container, keeping that stone in place, preferably also in borax. So these are the wings that I ended up preserving. So I added this piece of deer skin to where I would hold the wing. And of course I chose black because I wanted it to blend in with the color of the feathers. And I stitched it on, so I did not put any glue to attach to the feathers. So these can be easily removed if necessary. So whenever I use them, I make sure I take care of the feathers really well by kind of preening them and straightening them back out. And that will assure a long life of these feathers. I also give them a spray once in a while with some agua florida or some sort of essential oil spray that I like to make myself. Some good oils for that are like tea tree, cedar, lavender, because these naturally repel bugs. I hope that this video is helpful, and if you choose to engage in that process and practice of working with a bird, that you might find that that process is deeply valuable to you, and that it gets you to feel more connected and grateful of your own life force that you have within you, as you honor the life force that was once in the being that you are working with.
Journey, assist us in our healing. Thank you for your blessings. Thank you for your medicine. Please help us on our journey.